Hey guys, you're here for another installment from Force 15. This is update 8 on Cyclone Fantala as of 22:30 local time RET, 18:30 UTC. Storm's located at 11.5 degrees south, 54.4 degrees east, with winds of 135 knots, which is 155 miles per hour. I thought I'd include knots in this update. With an estimated pressure by me of 918 millibars. Storm's movement west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Personally, I would have thought now by this time this storm would be a Category 5 as illustrated in my last update when I had it at 165. It has to be a Category 5 by now. I don't know. I think the JTWC and the Navy are screwing up big time. And Craig has the same opinions about that as well. So next up is the forecast map from the Joint Typhoon Warning Centre. This is quite outdated. This was from 6 Zulu this morning, but this is the best I can do. I've got my own forecast coming up towards the end of this video, so this is really quite outdated at this time. Wind hit speed and intensity is about the same, but the storm has gone up now. So if you guys have any questions for me, put them in the comments below. I'd be happy to answer them. Next up is the satellite imagery. Here is the visible imagery from the system. Still has a clouded over eye, but it should start to clear out as the storm begins to intensify a bit more again. Though we'll have to see how it plays out. So here is the RB top imagery. And looking very intense around the core of that system there. The eye really just needs to clear out before the system actually looks very, very magnificent, really. Here's the Dvorak imagery. It looks as though actually a T5, T6 there, even possibly pushing into T7. T7 is a Category 5, and from the looks of it, it has now made that. Here is the rainbow imagery. Again, very, very cool cloud tops, especially in the northwestern part of the system there. It's starting to develop there, could possibly start to wrap around the eye, which is also another indicator of Category 5 intensity. And here's the RB top imagery. It looks very, very intense around that core of the system. Mainly spiral bands displaced all down to the southwest there, but looking very good. Water vapour isn't a problem for this system. Very moist around the environment of the system. Wind shears, as you'll see in a moment, isn't really a problem, nor the sea surface temperatures, which you'll also see in just a moment as well. So here's the wind shear map, and you see it's in a low environment, barely even 10 knots of wind shear. And this has actually been low shear for the storm pretty much the whole time. The wind shear has kind of been more or less letting the storm through, which it has actually looked like that really in the last few days. Wind shear has just been like, yes, come in. So yeah, it's a bit odd, but it's not the first time. Sea surface temperatures around Madagascar looking very good, sustainable for tropical cyclone development. Current location of Fantala is where those lines in the crosshair intersect on the left hand side. That's about the approximate location of Fantala at this time. And very warm there, looking not very much to impede the storm in any way whatsoever. So here's my intensity forecast now. Plus 12, 165 miles per hour, 900 millibars, located at 10 degrees south, 54.4 east. Plus 24, 175 miles per hour, 895 millibars, 11.0 degrees south, 53.0 degrees east. Plus 36, 175 miles per hour, 899 millibars, 11.4 degrees south, 52.0 degrees east. Plus 48, 165 miles per hour, 905 millibars, 11.4 degrees south, 52.0 degrees east. Plus 72, 160 miles per hour, 910 millibars, 11.7 degrees south, 51.7 degrees east. And 96, 155 miles per hour, 925 millibars, 12.0 degrees south, 52.0 degrees east. And plus 120, 140 miles per hour, 944 millibars, and located at 12.8 degrees south, 53.3 degrees east. Now, just to reiterate the advisory, Cyclone Fantala as of 1830 UTC, 2230 local time RET. This is update 8. Location 11.5 degrees south, 54.4 degrees east. Winds are 135 knots, 155 miles per hour. Pressure 918 millibars, moving west-northwest at 12 miles per hour. Anyway, that's all from me now. Thank you guys for watching. This is Sports 15's